Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT custom instructions. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is, of course, open your ChatGPT application and simply go ahead and tap on the top left double lines icon and then simply tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. This is where you'll see an option called Personalization. Simply go ahead and tap on that, and this is where you can have a characteristic. So for example, warm, you can make it more or less warm, more or less enthusiastic, more or less headers and lists, and more or less emojis. You can also set a nickname down over here. You can have your occupation like engineer, student, etc. And you can also have more about you, so interest, values, or preferences. And you can also share anything you'd like to ChatGPT up over here for custom instructions. And it's basically like making ChatGPT understand you better. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.